Here on Instagram story, you see on the bottom, I'm on normal mode, but if I slide over, there is a create mode. And if you haven't used create mode before, it's basically a template using these presets. And now with the latest Instagram update, if you slide over to the right, you'll have this shoutouts option inside of Instagram story. I'll go over this a little bit and how to use it. So a lot of the options inside of the create mode have that dice right on top. So if you press the dice, you'll get a little bit of a different look on the template and a different purpose. So the first one was happy birthday. This was thanks. This is happy anniversary. And then there is one that has nothing. I like this one because I could put my own text on it. At the time that I'm recording this, you actually can't edit the happy birthday. You could only do an @mention sign here and do a shout out to someone. So let me go ahead and click over the dice and go to the blank one here. And then I'll go ahead and tag someone. I'll just tag one of my other accounts that I use from time to time here. And as you can see, it creates this kind of look where you're shouting out someone else. So you'll put both of your profile icons here. And then if you press the option on top, you could go ahead and change colors. And there's a bunch of different colors here available. So let's say I wanted to promote my Instagram masterclass here. I could go ahead and click to the pink, and you could move these items around here. So I'll just go ahead and move these down, and then you could go ahead and create some text here. So here I just created a text, and this is a great way to do shoutouts inside of Instagram if they're not about birthdays, anniversaries, or personal things. If you wanted to do shoutouts with the purpose of helping another page grow, this is how you would create a post like that. And when you're ready, you could go ahead and share it to your story. And then when someone sees that, they could go ahead and click that profile icon or the @mention sign, and they could jump into that and follow that page or do whatever it is that your call to action says. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow social media videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks so much for watching.